Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of yard work. It has honestly been raining here for 2 weeks. So if you saw like my deck videos and stuff like that, that was two and a half weeks ago. And you know, it was 30 degrees Celsius out here. It was beautiful. And then boom, somebody turned the switch off to summer. It's been raining ever since. We've had evenings of 7 degrees, 15-degree highs during the day. So it's been really tough to get anything done, especially finishing the deck. So my wife is out there today sanding it because we're going to be staining. So that's a good thing. But I'm going to do a little bit of lawn care over on the main entrance when we're coming in. And I'm going to give you a little review about my Toro whippersnipper that I have. I've owned one, well, I've owned this particular one for probably 3 years now. And I had the same model prior to this, and that sucker lasted about 8 years, and we abused the hell out of it. So why don't I show you the Toro, and then we'll get at the yard work. So this is the model I have. Model number I'm unsure of. But I'm telling you guys, this thing starts second pull every time. Never let me down. Very powerful. Of course, it runs off of mixed gas. Now, if you're wondering if it's heavy or not, it is quite heavy. It does take a little bit of arm power, and my forearms do get a little numb after a couple hours of weed whacking. And on this property, as you'll see, there's lots of brushing and lots of weed whacking to do to get the property looking nice, because we have lots of hills and little mountains and stuff like that. So yeah, this is the Toro here. Love it. No complaints whatsoever. Now, the only reason why I had to replace my first one is it had a leaking head gasket. And I remember I could see the oil coming out of the bottom of the head. And when I undid the bolts. When I slowly started pulling the cylinder head off, the ring fell into little pieces. So I figured to myself, perfect, I'll get a ring set. We'll put it back together with a new head gasket and we'll be on our way. Well, that didn't work out because the ring only came with the piston and the connecting rod, and that was almost the price of a brand new one. So I decided to pull the pin, buy something new, and I'm telling you, I don't regret it. If you're looking for a good weed whacker that's gas powered, this Toro, first one and this one, have just not let me down. So why don't we drive over there and get some brush cutting done. Another really cool feature about that Toro is the exchangeable attachment ends. So this one is my brusher. And if you come look at the unit, very quick disconnect. Now this guy hasn't been off in a couple of years, I think. And that's it. There's the head for the whipper. And then you can put the brusher on. And away you go. Now, I've even heard of some really cool attachments that turn these into little boat motors for a canoe or something. It's got like a little prop on the end. I've seen them. I don't know how much they are, but this thing's so reliable, I would definitely do that. So yeah, very simple. On-off switch, trigger lock, throttle. I don't know if you saw in the video, but first pull every single time. Choke on, a few pumps on the ball over here. Yeah, so just the regular maintenance on this Toro, and it works fantastic. All I do for the winter is I empty the fuel, I pinch off the actual the little fuel line, I run it till it's out of gas, take the air filter off, blow it out, and away you go. Fill it up the following spring. First, second pull every single time. And another really cool thing about it, it sounds like a dirt bike. You want to hear it? Well, that's it for the review, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.